Hello! Today is Tuesday, September 1st of 2020. Today, objective is to define and review story number 5's vocabulary words. Our guiding question is, what are some artistic jobs? We will do our usual do now vocational question of the day. And as always, remember, camera on, mics on mute, and ready to learn. Vocational question of the day. Are you interested in music? So today we will be defining our vocabulary words for story 5. Story 5 is titled The Superstagers. In this story, 4 artistic people use their creative skills. By the end of the story, we will be able to identify what are artistic careers. Let's begin by defining the vocabulary words for story 5, The Superstagers. Vocabulary word number 1, artistic. Having a skill and talent in some kind of art. Vocabulary word number 2, stage. Making a house that's for sale look great so someone will buy it. Vocabulary word number 3, arranging. Putting things in some kind of order. Vocabulary word number 4, landscaping. Improving the outdoor area around a building. Let's do our exit ticket. Exit ticket question number 1. What does artistic mean? Working with computers? How a person sees things? Or having a skill and talent in some kind of art. Great job! Artistic means having a skill and talent in some kind of art. Exit ticket question number 2. Choose the correct vocabulary word. Putting things in some kind of order. Is it chef, logistics, or arranging? That's right, it's arranging. And I just noticed that I misspelled arranging. My apologies. Arranging. Well done. That was the vocabulary words for story number 5. Tomorrow we will read story 5 together. Bye. See you next time.